Oh no, you just blocked one of your most loyal subscribers, didn't you? That feeling in the pit of your stomach when you realize a single misclick has made their comments vanish. It happens more often than you think. You're flying through your comments, trying to moderate, and poof, someone you actually recognize, someone who always has something smart or supportive to say, is just gone. Their old comments are hidden and they can't interact with your new videos anymore. That's a real problem. It's not just about losing a comment, it's about potentially damaging a relationship with a person who helps make your channel what it is. For so many of us, the community is everything. So when one person is accidentally cut off, it feels like a big step backward. The panic sets in. Where did their comments go? How do I fix this? You start digging through YouTube settings and it feels like a maze of menus that don't say unblock user. But don't worry, there's a super fast and easy way to fix it. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go in your YouTube studio to unblock them and welcome them back. Once you know where the setting is, you'll be able to solve this in seconds if it ever happens again. Before we jump into the fix, let's quickly get on the same page about what blocking actually means on YouTube these days, because the name has changed. What we used to call blocking is now officially called hiding a user from the channel. When you hide someone, you're not stopping them from watching your videos. They can still see all your content just like anyone else. The main thing that happens is their comments disappear from your channel. This includes all of their past comments and any new ones they try to leave. Here's the interesting part. From their perspective, they can still write and post comments on your videos, but only they can see them. To you and everyone else, it's like they never said a thing. This is basically a shadow ban for your channel. The feature is really designed for moderation, to deal with trolls and spammers without having to delete every single one of their comments. But as you've found out, it's easy to accidentally hide the wrong person. The good news is that the user gets absolutely no notification that they've been hidden. They might eventually notice their comments aren't getting likes or replies, but the action itself is totally silent. This is great because it means you can reverse it quickly and they'll likely never even know a mistake was made. Alright, let's get your subscriber unblocked. The most reliable way to manage your hidden users is through the YouTube Studio on a desktop computer. First, open your web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Or if you're already on YouTube, just click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose YouTube Studio. Once you're on your channel dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings. It has a little gear icon next to it. Click on that. A settings window will pop up. In the new menu on the left, click on Community. This is where YouTube keeps all the tools for managing your audience and comments. Now you'll see a few different sections. We're looking for the box labeled Hidden Users. This box has a list of every user you've ever hidden from your channel. Simply scroll through this list and find the name of the person you accidentally blocked. Once you find their name, you'll see a small X icon right next to it. To unblock or unhide them, just click that X. Their name will instantly disappear from the list. And now for the most critical step, you have to click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the window. If you just close the window without hitting Save, the user will stay hidden. Once you click Save, you're all done. The user can now comment on your videos again, and their new comments will show up for everyone. So you've clicked the X and hit Save. What now? The main thing is that the user can leave new, visible comments on your videos again. They're back in the community. However, and this is a big one, their old comments that were hidden when you blocked them will not automatically reappear. Those comments will remain hidden. This gives you a clean slate with that user, so they can just move forward and engage with your new content. As we mentioned, the user doesn't get a notification that they've been unhidden, just like they weren't told when they were hidden. It's a completely discrete process, so unless you have a close relationship with that person, you don't need to reach out and explain. Simply unblocking them is enough to fix the situation seamlessly. One last thing to keep in mind. You won't be able to unblock an account that has been suspended or deleted by YouTube itself. So if you can't find a user in your hidden users list, it's possible their account no longer exists. And there you have it. 2 simple ways to unblock someone on YouTube and bring a valued community member back into the conversation. Whether you use the full YouTube Studio on desktop or the quick fix on the mobile app, you're now set to manage your hidden users with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel and helps other creators in the same boat find this solution. And for more tips on growing and managing your YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever accidentally blocked someone, or do you have any other questions about managing your community? Drop them in the comments below. I read all of them and will do my best to help out. Building a strong community is everything on YouTube, and knowing how to handle these little bumps in the road is a huge part of it. Thanks for watching. Now go get that subscriber unblocked.